Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about CTK USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set main bull run plan. Let's dive in. Take a look. Today the coin pump like crazy. So what is this candle? Who could predict this one? So in one day, just without any reason, like 151%. So that's a point of the crypto. We can dump immediately, we can pump immediately. So not all coins will pump in the same time because not enough liquidity. But take a look on a global chart. So this is a chart on a Binance from October 2020, lowest point 0.2021. Then we got a crazy empty space, big range, and this candle starts like from 76 cents. So basically it's kind of weird. On a weekly time frame it looks like this one. Anyway, we gonna use our FIB, and I would like to show you the two difference. If we count from this one week candle to week candle, we didn't touch the 27 block. So this one, I'm not count this week candle, because it was just manipulation. If we use the line chart, you can see there is just a spike. So basically this point is a main trigger. But if we use the candles, here's from top to main, drop, support, consolidation, test with a weak candle, once again 78 level by FIB, and we didn't touch 27 block. So usually from my old videos, this okay zone for investment, for accumulation on a weekly time frame, this one. But on the other point, if we hide this one, go into a line chart and use the FIB by line chart, so you can see clearly this is the top, this is support, bounce, and here's the bottom. This one, this is the top, bounce, drop, bounce. We touch it 27 block perfectly till penny. And if we turn on the candles, so the line chart, it's counted by body candles close, right? So yes, we touch it 27 block, almost touch here in May 2022 and touch it here in October 2023. So let's use this one FIB. Let's make it correct this zone. So sometimes we need to cut all noise so we can delete the previous one. So if we use this FIB, right, this block still relevant for accumulation. So if we will see once again flash crash, we can see drop to this block. It's like 19 cents and 43. So this block is okay, time for accumulation. It's hard to say, maybe we'll drop in the next cycle, I mean in bear market, because we got this untradeable zone. So it's kind of weird, at least what was that empty space. So now we get a rejection at 23 level by FIB. If we take a look, we didn't sweep this liquidity pool. So we're trying, but it didn't sweep it. So basically this target will be like a trigger. Let's mark it. So $1.76 main liquidity pool. We can test a $1.92 test with 0.38 level by FIB. So that's the point. If we use the invert scale here, liquidity around 0.5 level by FIB, liquidity, and another one liquidity pools. Let's take a look on the main one. And I would like to show you what's going on, what's happening with my custom indicator set. So capitulation, once again, a zone of interest is here. Let's take a look on the data. So 134 million coins in circular supply. Now price based on CoinMarketCap $1.43. Market cap less than 200 million. The highest point of the market cap basically was today. Let's take a look. To hit $4, we have to reach like 538 million market cap. Basically, it's possible. That's why basically on this FIB, the next steps are relevant. If we use the lowest point, for example, from here at 0.5 level by FIB and the 61, it will be not a mistake to fix some profit. You have to build a plan. I always repeat, you have to build a plan. You can't wait just one, for example, this target. A lot of people after this listing, after this pump, also waited this target, but we didn't reach this target and we dump it and you stuck in this coin for the 3 years. This is basically not what are you looking for from the investment and from the altcoins. Once again, this is an accumulation zone for investment. This is the first step after 500% where you can fix profit at $2.54. Next step, where is more than okay fixed profit if you believe in this project. It's like $5.20, $7.85. $5.20 is going to be 700 million market cap. So it's more than real to see but you have to build a plan. When to in and when to out. Let's take a look what my customer said, what whales basically do now with this token. All this same period, if you use my customer said, you could track everything by yourself, base it on ADZ. Here is accumulation, accumulation, accumulation. So now it's distribution. So the whales after 300% start distribute their tokens. We can form the divergency, and like you can see, you see that divergency. So here on ADZ, here's a top and here's a lower top, but higher top on the chart. That's the point. So all this same period, it was accumulation by whales. Direction indicator also confirmed it. This was a crazy accumulation zone for whales. Now, no signal for accumulation, but no signal for distribution. That's a key point. Based on a market mood, on a weekly time frame, I always use this indicator to track the capitulation zone. Every single time when you see the gray zone, it's a capitulation zone where it's almost the best time for accumulation. So you can, when you see that, for example, on a weekly time frame, the gray zone, you can start accumulate coin using DCA strategy. So you bought it here, for example, at 44 cents, then we drop it down to 65 cents, then we drop it down to last point like 39. Your average entry could be like, I don't know, maybe 55. So now after 55 cents at $1.10, you could withdraw initial deposit and leave free coins. So you build a strategy, you build a plan what to do with your own money. So now we're like in April, but not the same like it was here in April 2001. So we got a room for growth. On the money power indicator, here is the main money inflow was here on this spike. This one in May 2022 at 44 cents. Then we got several RSI and a MACD. The warranties, now the money outflow. Step by step, the money outflow. But take a look, the money outflow was at 92 cents, then at $1.08. That's what I'm talking about when the people and whales withdraw initial deposit. Now, like you can see, we just try and breaking out the middle line again, but we higher on the price. That's why be ready to fix maybe. Of course, you have to follow your plan. Be ready to fix some profit at $2.54. And I think we'll see once again the new signal out of this coin. The money outflow. Monthly time frame here. The main money inflow was here. So the monthly time frame and a weekly time frame, it's the best time periods, with money power indicator to track what whales do now. Trade on weekly. Here was the last signal to sell. All this in period, the whales accumulate. Step by step, they accumulate. The last one was here exactly week before. This one, the pretty clear signal. Nice one, nice call. And the last indicator is take profit. Based on take profit, every single time when we touch the fundamental value of this coin, take a look. It was a perfect touch. This one touch. It was the last one at 39 cents. After that, we unstoppable pump it up. That's the point. Now, of course, we trade way over exit line. Time to invest, time to put money in when we trade around the buy line or around the fundamental price on a weekly time frame. Now, it's time to build a plan when to fix profit. Of course, you can invest even now, but risk reward. So for example, you invest now and at new all-time high, your profit will be like 194%. The guys who bought at 18 level by fee based on this strategy, they will be in profit like 800%. So that's a big difference why you have to join in the right time. So guys, my take once again, this is the best zone for accumulation, for investment. This is a zone where more than okay to fix some profit or at least withdraw initial deposit. And this is the next step for the new all-time high because we're not count this spike, $5.20, $7.85. So that's the point. So build a plan when to in, when to out. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.